Hello. First of all, sorry for the quality of the video, but as you can see, I've got something very big and I cannot fit it on my desk and use the stand. This is my Klarstein hydroponic grow kit. You can use this for growing plants that you can actually eat, like a salad, but also for different herbs. And this is like a self-contained unit with a light, so you can use this indoor in the shade area. Very nice unit, but we've got a problem. The problem is with a pump that does not working. And what's the biggest problem? There is no way, or at least I was completely unable to find a replacement for the pump. This is the connector that was used for the pump. And if you take a look, we've got 3 pins, and you might ask yourself, why do we have 3 pins or on a 2-pin pump? Because pump is usually taking just 2 pins, of course, unless this is a three-phase AC pump. But this is a DC pump without any sensing for like a speed. So why do we have 3 wires? And the answer is that pump was actually, I believe, made for that purpose, and it have a float switch for detecting low level water and reporting it to the control board. So it was really not that easy fix, but I was able to find the solution, and the solution is to use a 100k resistor between the white wire and the black that is ground. I tried the 10k, but I do not have a success. It didn't work, and that was quite interesting. I didn't open the unit, so I was not checking how it's connected to the microcontroller. I assumed that 10k is a safe bet, but it didn't work, and I used a 100k, and it worked just fine. So 100k between the white and the black one, and I'm going to show you what's going to happen when we plug it. We've got everything connected except the resistor is not touching ground, and we've got a green LED blinking. I'm going to make a connection and it report a correct water level. I'm going to let it go. We've got a wrong water level. Touch it again, and as you can see, we've got a green LED. You might ask yourself why the pump does not working, and that's because the pump ran only couple times in an hour. And if you would like to try that everything is working, you have to just unplug the unit. And yes, I did a test. I left it for an hour and it was cycling on off. I kill the power. I power it on. Okay. And we've got the wrong level. And now when I'm going to touch, let go, touch, let go, touch, So as you can see, it's working perfectly. And the solution is, I'm planning to use something like this. This is a float switch that can enable or disable depending on water level. We've got the max water level. I'm not sure where should be the low level indicator, but I think there is enough room to mount it somewhere here, and we will be able to fix our device. So that's the solution, the 100K resistor between black and white. And you will be able to use any float switch, and you do not have to get the genuine pump. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you find it interesting. See you next time, and bye bye.